Business challenge. Data backup not available. Solution. Backup option. ERP2 can back up existing SAP data before uploading new data into SAP. It can then be restored to its original state if needed. Original data can be backed up and then restored to the original state at any point if required. From here, the user has the option to upload with backup. Simply select the file and right-click and select Upload with Backup. This creates a hidden worksheet in the Excel file that contains the original data in SAP before it was changed. With the download complete, if the user wanted to revert the data back, they would click the Restore button. As you can see, users may have multiple restore points if they were to do multiple uploads on this Excel file. When this Excel file is selected, users can review the data to ensure that the data is what they would like to restore, and simply click OK to change the data back to the original state.